Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to install GitLab on a Debian 12 server. Whether you want to manage your own code, host Ansible playbooks, or build a DevOps pipeline for your Homelab, GitLab is the right tool for you. And we're going to set it up step by step. All the commands are in the GitHub repo linked in the description. Let's get started. First, make sure your system is up to date and install the required packages. Download the GitLab install script and run it to add the package repo. Then install the Community Edition and set the external URL to your server's DNS name. GitLab will now install and configure itself. This can take a few minutes. When the installation completes, GitLab will display the root password. Write it down, we'll need it later. If you plan to access GitLab via HTTPS, you will need to provide your own certificate or configure Let's Encrypt properly in GitLab. GitLab is now installed. Let's reduce its footprint for better performance. Open the GitLab config file and modify the following lines. Puma worker processes. Sidekick concurrency. Prometheus monitoring. Save the file and run GitLab CTL reconfigure. Now GitLab is ready to go, and you can head to your browser and go to HTTP, your server IP or DNS name. If you forgot the root password, it's saved for 24 hours in etc GitLab initial root password. Log in with the password in the username root. Inside GitLab, click Create a new project and name it Ansible. Initialize it with a readme.md. Then clone the repo to your local machine. Change into your projects folder. And create a basic playbook.yaml. For now, we'll run ansible-lint locally. Later you can move it into GitLab CI once you set up a GitLab runner. Install ansible-lint. Now check your playbook. If everything looks good, you can commit and push your changes. The final step is to customize your GitLab setup. And that's it. GitLab is now running efficiently on your Debian 12 server and ready for your Ansible workflows or other projects. You can now install a GitLab runner to use GitLab CI/CD pipeline to perform automatically ansible-linting. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.